It's October 29th, 2011, and we're already having our first snowstorm. It's one of my Halloween decorations. Notice his hat is getting covered with snow. It's about 12 noon and it's 33 degrees, and we're in for heavier snow later on. I'll update you. Okay, it's 5 after 1. We now have about 2 inches. My dog doesn't like it. He's barking at the car going by. But you could see the neighborhood. It's covering everything. So it looks like we're in for a white Halloween. I don't think this will melt. And talk about frost on the pumpkin. Where's the pumpkin? There it is. There's snow on the pumpkin. Well, it's 20 after 2. My neighbor's birch tree is stretched across Rose Avenue, so those residents can't even get in and out of their street if they wanted to. I guess we must have at least 3 inches now. You can take a look. Look at the tree. It does look beautiful, but as far as I'm concerned, it's way too soon. And my neighbor's car is getting all covered. And these are my flowers that were still blooming. I guess that's the end of them. You can't even see them. Okay. Our power is out. It's now 7 after 3. This is my backyard. As you can see, everything is down. The branches are down. The trees, I just hope none of these trees decide to fall over. I may not be able to get out of my back driveway pretty soon because the pine trees are starting to hang down. We have the generator going, but we still don't have electricity. Dennis is trying to figure out the problem. My neighbor's trees, oh boy. Yeah, their branches are hanging down. Looks like some of them are on her deck. I just hope none of these trees fall on my house. Okay, it's 20 to 6. And judging by the looks of this wall here, we have probably 7 or 8 inches already. Still no power, and I heard 200,000 people in New Jersey are without power. Snow is still falling. Not much else to see, but it's going to be dark soon. So we started to light our candles. And our Halloween guys are still getting covered with snow. Look at this one over here. That's Mr. Skeleton Head. This may be the last video until it gets light out tomorrow. Stay safe. It's 20 to 8, and this is what it looks like with some candles burning. That's about all you can see with no power. Pretty eerie. Candle lit. Have my little jack-o'-lantern blinking in the window. And candles in the kitchen. And candles here and flashlights all over. It's 9:20 Sunday morning, October 30th, 2011. And this is what it looks like out here. The tree still has snow on it. The road is clear. Trees are still hanging down. The wires are hanging down. They still have the snow on them. Temperature's going up, so that should melt. And our power came back sometime in the night before 5 o'clock in the morning, which was a nice surprise. And you can see pumpkin is completely covered with snow. Can't even tell it's pumpkin anymore. And the cars are able to get in and out. Well, that is my scarecrow. He's leaning. I guess I'll have to fix him tomorrow. My husband has the ladder out. He's trying to cut up all the branches on the heavy branch that fell on the shed. And as you can see, the trees are still hanging down. And I'm not sure I can get out of my driveway because of those branches. If you see how low they are, my car won't make it. That's our story. Hopefully that's the end of the snow for a while. If you look at my neighbor's yard, you see her branches down. A lot of them. Trees really need to be pruned. Luckily, it doesn't look like they fell on her house, but they were leaning toward it. It's like a forest. You can't even see through with the leaves.